Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out a bike that's got everyone talking. The Ducasu 400cc sports bike, also known as the DK400. It looks like a Ducati, but costs less than some 125cc scooters. So, what's the deal here? Is it a hidden gem or just a flashy copycat? Let's find out. The first look. First impressions. Wow! The Ducasu 400cc looks mean. With that sharp front fairing, muscular tank, and sleek tail section, you'd be forgiven for thinking this came straight out of Bologna, Italy. Yeah, it's heavily inspired by the Ducati SuperSport 950. Some people even call it the Chinese Ducati. And honestly, when you see the body lines, the paint scheme, and that single-sided swing arm design, it's easy to see why. But it's not just about looks. Underneath that sporty shell is a 400cc twin-cylinder engine that promises a punchy, everyday ride. So let's dig into what it's packing. Engine and performance. The DK400 runs a 385cc parallel twin engine, water-cooled, paired with a 6-speed gearbox. On paper, it puts out about 25 horsepower and around 26 Newton-meters of torque. Now, that's not mind-blowing power. Let's be real. Other 400cc sport bikes, like the Kawasaki Ninja 400 or KTM RC390, push well above 40 horsepower. So, the Ducasu's performance is more middleweight commuter rather than full super sport. But for city rides or daily commutes, it's actually pretty comfortable. The engine's smooth, power delivery is linear, and the exhaust note, surprisingly decent for its class. Design and build. Let's talk design. The Ducasu DK400 nails the aesthetic part of the sport bike formula. It's got LED headlights, a muscular fairing, a sculpted fuel tank, and that race-ready seat profile. From a few feet away, this thing looks premium. The proportions are right, the stance is aggressive, and even that logo font. Yeah, looks a little too familiar. But visually, it delivers. The digital instrument cluster is basic but functional. You get your speedo, tach, gear indicator, fuel level, trip meter, and that's about it. Simple, clean, and it gets the job done. The build quality? Well, it's decent for the price. Paint finish is nice, plastics feel okay. Not top tier, but not toy-like either. Remember, this bike costs under $3,000 in its home market. That's insane.